Hey all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for an Anfield Road expansion update. I can never get used to saying that. So, bit of work going on outside. So apparently there's a sandstone wall going down here, and that's thanks to Mr. Jonas giving us the info on this. He was given info by someone and he shared it with us. So it looks like as though it's going around the forever stones. Yeah, so there's the start of it going in anyway. Let's see what's going on here in a sec. Yeah, looks though one's getting gripped, ready to be lifted. Or maybe not. Let's just have a look at the crane a sec. Yeah, there's someone in the cab. Maybe they're on a lunch break. It's around 12 o'clock now in the day, as I wanted to come over a bit later. Okay, so we'll leave them to it for a minute, as I don't like hanging around in the same area for too long. Don't like the videos going on too long, as everyone knows. Right, okay, so I've just been talking to Craig, because Craig's just been in the car park, and he said, is this where they're going to put "You'll Never Walk Alone" on the front? And I didn't quite understand what he meant, but now I do. Craig, that's a good shot, mate. It quite possibly could be. I'll stay on these a sec. Well, I just want to give a mention to Sam at the Back the Net podcast, I think he's called. He does Bournemouth games, but I was talking to him because he was in Liverpool at the weekend and we bumped into each other. And we had a little chat. I just had a little bit of a laugh with him over using one of my videos, but it was fine. It's just tongue in cheek. But we had a good chat anyway, and he left a message on one of my videos that night. So I just want to give his YouTube channel I mentioned, because it's if you're into football, away days and match day vlogs, even though it's not your team, he follows Bournemouth home and away, and his production of his videos is really good. So if you're just into football, it might be worth giving it a look, checking it out, because I know there's loads of different fans that watch these videos, so that might be another one for you if you're not already watching them. Okay, so yeah, give Sam a follow on Back of the Net podcast, and I'll leave a link to his channel in the description anyway. Yeah, it's a nice fella. Sorry, just clean my throat. And yeah, we had a nice little chat, and he's not really biased either. You know, Bournemouth lost 3-0 to Everton, and deservedly so, well, because Everton played well. But he was complimentary of Everton. He's critical of his own team, and you know the failings that are there. So he has a really balanced opinion. So it's worth giving him a watch. I enjoy watching his stuff. So he does fan interviews as well, you know, Bournemouth fans, opposition fans as well, because when he comes to Liverpool, he goes to the Arkles. And if there's any fans in there from the opposite team, he'll have a chat and get their point of view as well, so yeah. I think this could be the last of the brickwork going in. Oh, what's going in the window? That's one way of getting stuff in, isn't it? So anyway, all the signs are looking good for the stand being ready for the Everton match. I'll go over now and see if there's any more seats in. But I've been contacted by someone who is working on the Concourse. He sent me a couple of photos. Shall I share them? I'll put one on if YouTube's got a problem. I'll just edit it later. But yeah, so I'll put a photo on now so you can see the Concourse. It looks messy, but if you look around carefully, the brickwork's done, the painting's done where it's all red. And if you compare it to the main stands, it's not far off looking like the main stands. We're going to get higher and more back. I should do me there, I think. Yeah, so it doesn't look far off looking like the main stands. He said it looks messy, but it'll be getting cleared up and should be ready for the Everton match. Also being contacted by a fan whose seat is up here somewhere. I'm not going to say where, but because these people contact me in confidence, so I'm not going to say where the seat is, but he said he hasn't been told anything that's going to be delayed. The reason why I'm stopping is because, right, let me turn around. Look at this again. Remember how big this park is? I'm just sorry if you're getting dizzy. No, I need to come back over, don't I? No, I don't. I can see myself there. Right, remember how big this park is? I just have to move away again because, look. I don't want to zoom in too close because I don't want to identify anyone, but I'll just carry on walking away. Let me zoom out. Look at all the space. There's loads of it. What, they come right over by me? Someone said it was the Lynx effect. Yeah, right, let me zoom back in on the thing. See, these seats are coming a lot lower now. Let's just get close on that seat. Yeah, a lot more have gone in since yesterday. Yeah, they have. A lot more has gone in since yesterday. Since I saw someone's video yesterday. I'd name them, but I can't remember whose video. I watched a couple yesterday. It might have been Craig's, I'm not too sure. Oh, empty. No, I'm comparing to this here where it was where the two lots were level there. Maybe I haven't put all the brackets are in. The brackets weren't in over this side, were they? So yeah, I'm not getting too low. I'm too far down. Can I see down one of these formatees? No. Okay. I'll just move across here to touch. Let me get on line with that formatee there. So you can have a look down this one and see in there a little bit. You can't see too much though. What's this guy doing? He's painting the yellow on for safety, so the visually good for people. Like everyone's moving away from me now. Thank God. Okay, let's come back over this way. I think more seats have gone in. I can't be totally sure, guys. It's I'm sure they've come down a touch more. I know my flying's a bit jerky at the moment, but it is what it is. Ah, yes, so one's been lifted into place there. It was over here. I missed that, didn't I? Well, has it been lifted? I don't think it has been lifted into place, has it? Where's the end of the... Yeah, it has. So I can see the end of the crane hook, if you like. It's funny how sound travels. I can see him hitting it, and then I'm hearing it a split second later, the noise of it. It's mad. Speed of sound. I mean, it's taken a long time to get to me this sounds. Strange. Okay. So guys, I'll leave it there. Craig wants me to mention that it's World Mental Health Day today, which, you know what, it's worth mentioning because a lot of people out there are suffering. I've suffered with it in the past. We all have our wobbles in life. So, yeah. What do I want to say about it? As I don't want to be, you know, patronising to people. But if you are struggling, you know, message me on here. Message me on Instagram. Send me an email if you're struggling. Okay? I don't mind talking to you. I've got time for anyone. I used to be in the army. I've got a lot of friends who are suffering with PTSD, so I understand it. So yeah, if anyone's struggling out there, talk to someone if you think it's going to help you. Okay, don't suffer in silence, as they say. But yeah, I'm not going to be patronising about it. So just that's all I'll say on it. But once I give it a mention for Craig, because I know Craig suffers as well. Yeah, guys, I'm going to leave it there. I think some more seats have gone in. The concourse is looking okay from the pictures that I've seen. Again, the photos are put on. There's a lot of mess there. That's all going to be cleared out apparently. But they've got to get a test event in at some point between now and say the 18th, 19th. So it's not a lot of time. So let's see how they get on with that. Outside, that sandstone wall's going in, so thanks for the info from Mr. Drone for that. Down at the Forever Stones. Yeah, as we're all doing our best to keep everyone informed. So yeah, I'll leave it there, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Really helps me out. Comments and likes are always appreciated. And if you want to have a laugh, go and have a look at my last video when I went down to St James's Cemetery. As I don't want to call it ghost hunting because I'm not ghost hunting. I do take stuff with me in case something happens because it'd be interesting for the camera. And I want to be a believer. But the torch fell in my pocket. Now I'm still convinced I was touched a little bit higher up than when the torch fell from. So I'm not sure. I can't be too sure. You know, mind plays tricks on you in the dark and stuff like that. But I'm pretty sure I was touched higher. On the video you see me torch fall in my pocket, but where my microphone is, I'm sure I was touched there and something went down and then my torch fell. That's how it felt to me at the time. History / ghost story. Did you touch me then?
No, I was not doing nigger.
Serious?
No, I was literally, I had my
something just went.
No, my hands were in my pocket. Guys,
right.
If you just want to go back and watch the footage on
my
that.
torch is in my pocket. I'm pretty sure that wasn't standing up in my pocket.
Literally, my hands are by my side, guys.
Right.
I didn't touch them.
The only explanation I'll put to that is my torch must have fell. Okay? I always look for an answer first. And if you want to see me get scared by a bat, give it a watch. This bat is still, I've moved away now, this bat's still flying round. So I don't know if it's following me, but it's there again, to see it. But apart from that, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate all the support. It's you know, it's mind-blowing where I've come from in the last 12 months. Yeah, thank you all. As always, look after yourselves. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now. Hello everyone, a little bit of doom and gloom information. So, me regular person, there's a bee flying around me. Me regular person who tells me info, the person that told me that the stand wouldn't be ready in time, and there's a lot of beef online over it. He's been in touch. There's going to be no fans in the upper tier for the Everton game. I've asked him how certain he is of that, and he's at 100%. Okay, so he's obviously being given information that he's the person who would trust the most with information. So no people in the upper tier for the Everton game is what I've been told. Okay. Sorry for the news, guys. Hope he's wrong, but I really trust his information. See you soon.